Hi everyone, today we will be teaching you how to create points or stamp system. First of all, you can come over to loyalty, then click points. So here you can choose whether your business is using point system or stamp system. So if your business is using stamp system, you can choose use stamp system. Then points are given is either per scan or per dollar. Okay, so how many points is given per spending? Then also one stamp is given per how many points. For examples, for this setting, customers that spend 10 ringgit, then only they can get one stamp. Then you can also limit the number of points received by a member daily and also limit their point balance as well. You can also upload your own stamp image or unstamped image here. Just click this upload button will do. Then upload the photos. Here, you can also set how many stamps to show inside the member web app and how many stamps per row. Then you just click save. Let us know if you have any other questions at help@eber.co. Thanks and bye for now.